Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial we're going to discuss that how you can solve the notification issue of your Gmail app. So let's suppose you're not getting your notification from a Gmail app, so how are you going to fix it? So if I go to my Gmail app and my email will start showing up. Now here I'll see that my emails are loading, but if I receive any new email it won't show up in the notification. So how to fix it? So there are pretty much two straightforward options, and I'm going to show you how you can use them to fix your notification issue. The first option is you need to hold on to the application, or you can just go to your setting of your phone, and from here you just need to scroll down to your apps and then go to manage apps, and in here you can just search for Gmail if you have the search option here given, and click here, and after that what you need to do is go and click on notification and make sure that the show notifications option is enabled. If this is enabled and it says that allow playing sounds and notification pages and stuff, you are clear on this side. The second option that might be causing this problem is that what you need to do is go to your setting again and scroll down and find accounts and sync. Here what you need to do is click on accounts and syncs, and then it'll show you all the accounts that are logged in on your device. Now what you need to do is you need to make sure that auto sync data is enabled and it's not on Wi-Fi only, because sometimes you are using data when you're outside and it won't sync them, thus you won't receive any notification on your email, because your email is also affiliated with one of these options, because it might be a Google, it might be a Microsoft email, it might be Yahoo. So this is where your email syncs. So to make sure, what you need to do is scroll down and you'll find this Google option. Now here what you need to do is click on sync, and it'll start syncing all the options and you will receive your email. You don't need to do it every time. If you have auto sync enabled, after some time of interval it will surely sync the app. This is how you can fix it, and if those two options aren't helping you out, then what you can do is you can just simply go to your Play Store, and from here you might need to update your Gmail app, and then it might fix the issue. If not, then what you need to do is go to the app info again, and from here just for once force close it and clear the cache, and after that it'll work. I hope you found this video helpful, and if it did, please drop a like, comment and subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.